Within the city of Seattle is a most unusual public park. Some might call this ungainly structure art, others industrial archaeology. Gasworks Park is on the National Register of Historic Places. It preserves some of the remains of a coal gasification plant on the site of the former Seattle Gaslight Company. But gas wasn't the only product produced here. There was tar for roofing, lamp black for pigment, charcoal briquettes for heating, sulfur for insecticides, and 3 different chemicals used in explosives. Today, the 19 acres of Gasworks Park are devoted to lakeside recreation, summer peace concerts, Independence Day celebrations, and even kite flying. Unfortunately, fencing around the machinery hasn't kept determined climbers from tackling the towers. The result has led to more than a dozen fall-related incidents and 3 deaths in the last few years. Meanwhile, the city view is beautiful from here. From the Space Needle and downtown Seattle to the takeoffs and landings of continuous seaplane traffic on Lake Union's 2 5,000-foot intersecting runways. 2 commercial companies, Kenmore Air Harbor and Seattle Seaplanes, generate an average of about 120 flights a day. Canadian destinations make Lake Union an international airport. It probably comes as no surprise to learn that the first seaplane flight from Lake Union was by William E. Boeing in 1916. Anybody familiar with Norwegian folklore knows that trolls live under bridges, right? Well, Seattle's Fremont Troll isn't exactly homeless, though his creation by 4 local artists in 1990 displaced the homeless who had been living under the Aurora Bridge previously. Today, he's loved by all children, young and old, big and little. This popular fellow is 18 feet tall, composed of concrete over steel rebar and wire. He's found his way into movies, music, a video game, and even a play. Naturally, there's merch to support fundraising, and it takes the form of t-shirts and even a chia pet. Volunteers from the Fremont community maintain the adjoining 2-acre Trolls Knoll forest as a green space of trees and gardens.